Cambiaso. Hi.
Hi.
The treble winners legend, Mr. Cambiaso. Cambiaso. For me, you are one of the smartest player in the world in your era. You are the brain of the team. I always thought you become Inter coach one day. So I'm curious, have you ever thought about coaching Inter in the future? And if that happens, what formation would you use?
Ooh, that is an interesting.
You are a journalist.
question.
Are you journalist or you are just? First of all, thank you because the word that you said before about I'm smart or not smart. But
You are the brain.
the problem is that you say you are, and the problem is I was, because now I cannot play nothing. I did all my license to be coach, and also I'm preparing myself doing other things like